Hello everyone, I request you all to go through the disclaimer first. Today we are going to study about Mangalika Yoga or Mangalika Dosha. Mangalika Yoga or Dosha. When the planet Mars, is being situated in the house number 1, 2 or in 4 or 7 or in 8, either one of the position from Lagna or from the moon, then this Yoga or Dosha gets formed. Let's study in detail. Mangalika Yoga or Dosha in Vedic astrology. This is also known as dreaded dosha in Vedic astrology, and just by remembering this dosha arise fear in the mind. So how do this dosha form? Mangalika dosha is formed when the planet Mars is in 1, 2, 4, 7 or 8th house from ascendant or from moon. This dosha gives different effect to different persons, which will further depend upon strength and placement of Mars in different houses. If Mars is placed in the house number 1 in bad condition, then one will be aggressive and frustrated. One will lose temper very easily and may suffer from BP, blood pressure problem. If the Mars is in the 2nd house, the person's speech will be bad, which will be bad for marital relations. If Mars is in the 4th house in adverse condition, then one's family life will be disturbed and the person will be very unhappy, and the happiness will be a distant dream for the individual. If the Mars is in the 7th in the bad shape, again the married life will be unhappy. If the Mars is in the 8th house in the bad condition, again there will be a quarrel at home. Thus the Mangalika dosha can bring frustration and disturbance along with it. But most important thing we have to see, either if the Mars is conjuncted with moon or with Guru, Jupiter, these things can change. Or if the Mars is been aspected by Chandra, then Chandra Mangala Yoga is being created. Or if the Mars is been aspected by Guru, Jupiter, then Guru Mangala Yoga will be created. Same dosha will be reversed. It will be, all the things will be vice versa if the aspectation happens. This is my website. I have given the link of the website in the description box. Anyone can reach me for the consultation purpose through the website, or they can reach me through telephone, mobile, WhatsApp or Telegram. The number is 9282103960. I request you all to subscribe the channel, press the bell button so that you will be getting the latest information at the faster rate. Thank you very much.